very pleasant morning to all my dear students. As you know, in previous session we were dealing with addition, both type of addition, vertical and horizontal, and today we will deal with the exercises related to the topic. Okay, so today we will start with our page number 83. Keep the pencil and eraser in your hand. This was your homework, so I think you have already done it. So please match the answer with me. If you will find that your any answer is wrong, please erase it, do correct. Okay, start with page number 83. Here 5 plus 7, as I told you that keep bigger number in your mind, and next number you have to add 7 plus 5. What will come? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here answer will be 12. Okay, next is 18 plus 2. Bigger number we will keep in our mind. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So answer will be what? Answer will be 24. 15 plus 5. Again we will take the bigger number. 15 plus 5, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay. Next question. 4 plus 7. We will take bigger number. 7 plus 9. We will take bigger number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So here we will write what? We will write down 16. 14 plus 1. 24 plus 1. As I already told you that if we will add 1 to any number, we will get the next number. So we will get here 25. 50 plus 8. 50 plus 8. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 57, 58 and 58. Your answer will be 58. 8 plus 6. 8 is bigger number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be 14. Next is what? Next is 42 plus 5. 42 plus 5. 42 is bigger number. So we will add 5 more in 42. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. So what your answer will come? Here your answer will come 47. 90 plus 7. 90 is bigger. So we will keep 90 in our mind. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. Okay, next is what? 5 plus 9. Again we will keep 9 in our mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14. 86 plus 3. 86, 87, 88 and 89. So what answer will be here? Answer will be 89. 12 plus 6. Bigger number. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18. Yes. Now 9 plus 9. Both are equal. So you can take any number. I am taking this one. You can take this also. No issue, because both the numbers are equal. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what answer will come here? 18. 66 plus 5. 66 we will take. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. Our answer will be 71. 11 plus 7. 11 is bigger number. So we will keep 11 in our mind. Plus 7. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So answer will be here 18. 9 plus 8. 9 is bigger number. So we will keep 9 in our mind. Okay. 9 plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 17. 32 plus 5. 32 is bigger number. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. 37. 43 plus 7. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. As you know now that we can do counting with the help of these lines also. I told you, no? So as I already told you in last session that no one will do addition by drawing the line. Okay, now you all in class 1, no? So now you have to learn and you have to do practice how to do how to add the numbers without taking help of drawing line. Okay, this we had already done yesterday. Okay, now we will come to our next exercise. Add the following. As I already told you, while you will add in vertical form, always we will start addition from back side, means from one side. You will never start doing addition from this side. Always you will write from this side. Always you will perform addition by this side. 4 plus 2, what answer will come here? Here will be 6, and with 3 no number is there, so we will write on what? We will write on 3. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, here answer will 9, and after 1 no number is there, so we will write on 1. 8 plus 7, what will come? 8, and after 8 no number is there, 8. 2 plus 7, what will we get? We will get 9 and 4. Here what we have to do now, we have to arrange the number. Okay, then we have to perform addition. So as I told you that always start writing down the numbers from back side. So 33, so we will start from ones, 3 and 3. This one also back side 8. So here will be 8 and here will be 3. 21 and 8, 21 and 8, 9 and 2. Okay, add the following. We will start from ones. 4 plus 2, 6, and 3 plus 5, 8. 7 plus 2, 9, and 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 5, 6, and 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8, and 5 plus 2, what will be here? 7. I think you are observing that always I am starting addition from one side. So you have to also perform the same thing. Always you will start doing addition from one side, from back side, from right side. Okay. 0 plus 5, as I told you, when we will add 0 with any number, we will get the same number back. So we will write in here 5. 7 plus 1, what will we get? We will get 8. 7 plus 1, 8, and 3 plus 5, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 1, 6, and 7 plus 2, 9. I hope you are getting it. In this page, we performed all activity related to addition, means all not, means without carry with it. In next session, we will deal addition with the carry. Okay, and problem solving. Okay, now next is what? Next is this arrange in column and add. Okay, and add with tens, because you can see here we have added both types of addition. Here addition of 2-digit number with 1 digit, addition of 2-digit with 2 digit. So here what we have to do, here addition is tens, means with 10 and tens. Here you can see 2 tens, 4 tens, 1 tens, 1 ten, 8 tens, 5 tens, like this. So starting from back side, 0 plus 0, what? 0, and 2 plus 4, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 8, 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, now arrange in column and add. In book only you need to know how to arrange in column. Okay, in copy, arrange in column and add we will not do. Directly you have to do addition. In this format you will get, and like that you have to do addition. Okay, so this type is not needed, means here it is not needed. Directly you will do here. Okay, so 46 plus 33, as I told you, always start writing from back side. 46, 6 and 4, 33, 3 and 3. 6 plus 3, 9, and 4 plus 3, 7. So what answer will be here? 79. 54 and 21. 54 and 21. So here you can see 54 and 21. So 4, as I told you, write on from back side. 1 and 2. What answer will be here? There will be 5 and 7. Okay. This number stories we will do in our next session. Okay, don't worry about it. We will do it in our next session. I hope you have already done these things. See, this we will not do. This we will not do because add by expanded is not in our curriculum. So we will not perform it. Simple addition we will do in class 1. Okay. This we had already done, and this also we had done. I think that day I left these 3. It was your homework. So let's do it. 19 plus 1. As I told you, whenever we are adding 1 with any digit, we are getting next number. We are getting what? We are getting next number. So 19 plus 1, what will we get? We will get 20. What will we get? We will get 20. 13 plus 32 plus 1, what will get? Next number of 32 means 33. 88 plus 1, what will we get? We will get 89. Okay, I hope you are getting me. All the questions related to this we had already discussed. As you know that all type of addition we had already performed. Okay, so now what is left? Now only and only the topic is left, that is addition using carry. Addition using carry. Today will be a small introduction related to the topic, how we will perform this operation, means how we will do addition with the carry. Okay, later we will do some more practice, some more questions related to the chapter. Today is only and only introduction how to perform this type of addition, and after doing this I hope you will try to do exercises related to the topic, means addition using carry. So as I told you, simply addition we had already performed in our previous session, and I know that you are able to do the addition very well without carry. Now I will perform an addition in which carry will be used. Here you can see, suppose I have to add 27 and 34. So what I have to do, first I will write on one sentence and I will write on the numbers 27 and 34. So what you have to do, what will be your first step? As you know that addition we are always performing from back side. So here you can see that from this side, from right side, from ones we will start performing our addition. So with this 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, what answer will come? If you will add 7 in 4, you will get what? You will get 11. You will get what? 11. You will get 11. Now what you have to do? In 11, here you have to, last number you have to write down here. In 11, last number you have to write down here, and this one, this will call what? This will call carry. This will call what? Carry. It will carry forward to next number. It will come here. Now in the next step, whenever you will do the addition, you will add all 3 numbers. You will add what? You will add all 3 numbers. Means along with 2 and 3 you will add 1 also. So you will start doing addition from where? Now you will start doing addition from here. 1 plus 2 and plus 3. In 1 plus 2, what will you get? You will get 3. And in 3 plus 3, what you will get? You will get 6. So what answer will come here? Here answer will come 61. One more example you can see. 28 plus 34. Okay. So from back side we will start doing addition. So 8 and 4. When we will add 8 in 4, what answer we will get? We will get 12. So of 12, back side number you will write down here, and the front one number will go here. Will go as a carry. Now you will add all three numbers together. Now you will add all three numbers together. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. I hope you are getting my point. Let's perform one more addition. 38 and 35. So first we will write down the number 38, 8, 3, 35, 5, 3. Okay. So after adding in 8 to 5, after adding 8 and 5, what will we get? We will get what? 13. As I told you that last number we will write. What is the last number of 13? The last number of 13 is 3. And which number is left? 1 is left. So we will write down here 1. So 3, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So what answer we will get? We will get 73. Let's perform one question in your book. Here you can see that 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So what is the last number of 10? What is the last number of 10? 0. And what number will be left? What number will be left? 1 will be left. So 1 will come here. Now we will add together 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. As you can see here also 35 plus 28. 35 plus 28. 3 plus 8, 13. 3 will be here. 1 will be upside. Here you can see now 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. What will we get? 6. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. What will become? 10. So what is the last number of 10? It is what? It is 0. It is what? It is 0. And which number is left? Here one more example you can see. Suppose if I will write down 10 here. So this number you will left and this number you will shift here. This number you will shift here. Okay. So here now we will add again 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Next question. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 will get what? Will get 12. Will get what? Will get 12. So we will write down the last number. We'll write down last number here and rest number will go upside. Okay. Now 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3, 8. Okay. Now next one is what? 4 plus 7. So here will come 11 and in 11 one more number will be left. It will go this side. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 8. Okay. So now what is your homework? You have to do page number 92. Page number 92. And regarding this topic we will discuss in next session also. In next session we will deal with this topic as well as we will complete our number stories. Okay. In next period we will deal with, in next session we will deal with all the questions related to the addition, related to carry and questions of number stories. Please do it, try to do it. Okay, and tomorrow we will deal this topic again. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.